In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to solve the Facebook Marketplace limit reach problem in a few easy steps. Whether you're an active seller or a new one, running into selling limits can be frustrating. But don't worry, we've got a simple solution for you to address this issue effectively. First, let's start by accessing Facebook. Open your browser and go to Facebook's website. Make sure you're logged into your account where you're experiencing the issue. Once Facebook has loaded, you're going to want to navigate to your profile. Look for your profile icon, usually at the top right of your screen, and click on it. With your profile open, the next step is heading over to the Help and Support section. This is where we can officially report the issue to Facebook. You'll find the Help and Support option in the drop-down menu under your profile icon. Click on it to open a few more helpful choices. From here, select Report a Problem. This action will open a new window where you can tell Facebook more about the issue you're facing. This window is essential because it's your direct line to informing Facebook of the marketplace limit problem. Click on the Include in Report option. By doing this, you're making sure any information about the issue, possibly including screenshots if applicable, is attached to your problem report. Including additional information can be very helpful for the support team to understand exactly what you're dealing with. Now, it's time to type out the details. Use this space to describe precisely what's happening. Mention that you've encountered a selling limit on the Facebook Marketplace despite needing more for your business. Be clear and concise, offering enough detail for the support team to grasp your situation quickly. Moving on, use the search bar within this report area to find Facebook Marketplace. This search will help direct your report specifically towards the Marketplace team, ensuring it's in the right hands. Once you've located Marketplace, click on it to set your report's destination. This step is crucial to make sure your issue is reviewed by those who can actually help with solutions related to the marketplace. Finally, the last step, submit your report by clicking on Submit Report. This action sends off all the information you've gathered and prepared directly to Facebook. You can expect that their team will investigate and reach out to help resolve your issue as promptly as possible. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll have officially reported your Facebook Marketplace limit issue. Reporting can take a bit of time to process, so patience is key. Keep an eye on your email and Facebook notifications for any updates. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you get back to selling without limits in no time.